How to change colors in Live2D. Hi there, welcome back to the channel. In this video, you're going to learn how to change colors in your Live2D models using simple and practical steps. Whether you are updating your character's look or creating mood variations, I'll show you exactly how to do it, fast and easy. Step by step. 1. Edit the texture in Photoshop. Open your original PSD file that you used to build your Live2D model. Change the color of the layer you want. For example, change the hair color or outfit by using the hue saturation adjustment or repainting the layer. Then save your changes. 2. Update it in Live2D Cubism Editor. Open Cubism Editor and load your model. Right-click the texture and select Reload to apply the new color. Then, check if the new colors look correct on all angles and motions. 3. Optional. Color change in Unity at runtime. If you're using Unity, select the Live2D model prefab. In your script, edit this code. This will tint the whole model with a color overlay. And that's it. That was the quick tutorial on how to change your model's colors in Live2D, both by editing textures and at runtime in Unity. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more tips like this. Thanks for watching, see you in the next one.